Hi everybody, welcome to another episode. Today it's going to be a review on this piece of equipment that I picked up. It's made by Sublime Wear. It's a action camera suction cup mount. I haven't taken it out of the package yet, but I wanted to say it looks pretty well built just from looking at it through the package. Made in China right on the back, but the quality does seem to be better than most. Let's take it out. So right away, you can see this thing is huge. It's not a small suction cup at all. It is pretty damn large. And both of these are actually on a ratchet system. It's got the lever that locks it in place on the windshield. Just like any other made in China product, there's no directions that I can find. There are two smaller adapters. This looks like a GoPro adapter, and this is also a GoPro adapter. You can always put these in here to change the way the camera sits, or you can change this out and put it right here and just have the camera run off this piece here without the arm. I'll have to play with it and see, you know, how I like it or don't like it. There is one thing I do like about this product. I've had suction cups before, GoPro mounts, you know, that would suck onto the windshield. The plastic was so cheap and cheesy that when it got cold out, you couldn't get them to suck onto the windshield. This right here feels very soft, not hard at all like some of the other products I've had or tried in the past. So you put it up there, press on here, gets all the air out of the suction cup, and then you lock it down. It really locks it in there. And this thing is just not going to fall off. You could probably use this on the outside of your car too. I'm pulling on it as hard as I can. Well, almost as hard as I can. And it is not coming off of there. Wow. Now that is a seal. That's one of the better seals I've ever seen on a suction cup system. Overall, this product is not a bad product. I'm very happy with it. It is humongous, I'm not gonna lie. Quality is a little bit better than most products you buy online, so you kind of get what you pay for. It is still made in China. Wish it was made in America, to tell you the truth, you know, keep Americans at work, but it is what it is. I am satisfied with it for the price I paid. I give the product 2 thumbs up for price and for quality. All right, everybody, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking the videos. If you are a subscriber, I really appreciate you folks, and thank you for being here with me. Everybody, have a great day. Bye-bye.